So the big picture for this lesson is multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. Let's start with multiplying fractions. Let's say I wanted to do 1/4 times 3/5. I'm going to use a rectangular model for this. Okay, so there's my 1/4. Now if I want to multiply it by 3/5, I have to take basically 3/5 of this red bar right here. So I'm going to have to divide it into fifths. Okay, something like that. And then I'm going to take 3 of them. So this is 1, 2, 3. All right, so what do I have? Well, this whole unit of 1 has actually been divided into 20ths because it's now 5 by 4. So I have 3 20ths is the result of multiplying 1/4 and 3/5. And there's also an algorithm for multiplying fractions. You just multiply straight across the numerator and the denominator, and that is your result. So 1 times 3 is 3, and 4 times 5 is 20. But I think it's really important that you're able to model these fraction multiplications as well as just doing the algorithm so you really understand what's going on. Now let's look at mixed numbers. Okay, let's say I want to do 1 3/4 times 3. Okay, so 1 3/4, that's the same thing as 1 plus 3/4, and then times 3. So really what I can do is I can distribute this 3. 3 times 1 is 3, and then plus 3 times 3/4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little algorithm here, 3/1, to make it a fraction, and then just multiply straight across like in the previous example. So this is going to be 3 plus 3 times 3 is 9 for the numerator, and then 1 times 4 is 4 for the denominator. So it's 3 plus 9/4. So I have an integer and an improper fraction. Well, since I started with a mixed number, I'm going to end as a mixed number. And 9/4 is the same thing as 2 1/4, so this is 3 plus 2 1/4. And I figured that out because I know 4 goes into 9 twice with 1 remaining. So I can just rewrite this, 3 plus 2 is 5, so 5 1/4. That would be my final mixed number for this. So that's the big picture for this lesson.